name is Savannah Geigerich with Carlane Roemheld, and this is David Vilsack, Power Work Holding Manager. And we're excited to be here at IMTS 2018. And we would like to show off our first product that is featured here. We have the Centrick. The Centrick debuted last year. It's a multi-access workpiece positioner for assembling heavy loaded parts. The Centrick, as David is demonstrating, as you can see, the center of gravity of the part is nearly stationary as it tilts 90 degrees and rotates 360 degrees. It's very ergonomic, and it can come customized. We can put scissors on the bottom of it to raise it up and down. We can put it on an automated guided vehicle. So there's lots of options when it comes to the Centrick and assembling heavy parts. Next featured product we have is new Drop Zero, a modular zero-point system, perfect for 5-axis or 5-sided machining. Pull studs are mounted directly to the part, and clamping modules can be mounted virtually to any fixture plate. With a few turns of a wrench, you can easily load and unload new parts in quickly, all while having access to 5 sides in one setup, which means better machine part quality. It also can be customized, and they can be stackable for added clearance. And they also, can't forget, can work with Carlane Manufacturing's modular design tools, 1/2 inch and 5/8 of an inch, and also can work with non-modular design tools. David here is demonstrating the Speedy MTech. This is the component that goes inside of the Drop Zero. Next, we're going to talk about our new MCP vises from David Vilsack, our Power Work Holding Manager. David?
Thank you, Savannah. Yes, we have a new line of 5-axis vises called the MCP, P for precision. And one of the advantages we have is that our spindle is up much higher. It's higher than the guiding plane, so you get much less deflection out of the vise. It makes it very rigid, and it becomes a 3-piece design, which allows us to lightly press everything together during assembly and make it a near zero clearance situation. All of our vices, we have 4 different sizes: a 125, which is not shown, 100 millimeter width, which is this one, a 60 that you see here, and a very small 40 millimeter width vise. And all of these come in either purely mechanical or purely hydraulic actuation modes. And our newest is what you see here. This is our MCP ZB. It's a concentric position flexible, and that's what we're trying to highlight right here. You can see where the color changes. So this is concentric, but the middle one is position flexible. So it can be flexible within plus or minus 2 millimeters without deforming the part itself. And I also want to mention that all of these sizes that I just mentioned come in fixed jaw or self-centering versions. And we also have here, we have a wide range of jaw inserts, from these round grippers to jaw inserts that are flippable, from serrated to a smooth for finish machining. And our gripper inserts are at an angle, so it gives you dovetail-like clamping without the actual dovetail, so you're saving a machining step.
Make sure to contact us at www.roemheld-usa.com. Now that is ROEMHELD-USA.com. And you can also email us at info@clrh.com. We look forward to hearing from you.